Howdy folks, welcome back to the workshop. So today we're going to be going through the process of making a full tang hunting knife. It's going to be a little different from what we've done on the channel so far because we've mostly been doing hidden tangs. So this should be a pretty fun little project. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, so we got both sides cleaned up to 120. I got a pretty even plunge line there. Finished cleaning that up with the 220 after the heat treat probably. But as you guys can see, gonna go with No sharp bevel lines, so we're going to go with that smooth kind of look, kind of like the last one. So we're going to just clean up the profile, probably start drilling the holes, and do the jimping on the spine there, and be ready to go. Okay, so before we do the heat treat, going to kind of configure how we're going to do the scales. So for the front part of it, we're going to be using these upcycled revolver grips that look to be some kind of an artificial mother of pearl, and then also have this, I think it's curly maple. This curly maple right here that we just cut in half. So I'm hoping to get a little hunk out of it from here, here, and here, and that would kind of be like a little, almost like a little bolster for the front of it. And I'm hoping that the whole thing will kind of come together nicely and cover up the entire tank. So we're going to go ahead and drill the holes in it and then get that thing heat treated. So here's the knife all finished up. Really happy with the way it turned out. The acrylic material from the revolver grip that we talked about turned out really nice. It buffed up and it's kind of got that nice glisten to it. I think it really complements the curly maple as well, along with the mirror finish on the brass pins and then the jimping. I think just a nice clean little knife. It's got some flex to it. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy the way it turned out. So for those of you who are interested, the knife will be for sale as soon as this video is uploaded. There'll be a link on where to buy it in the description below, and as soon as it has been purchased, I'll remove the link. So again, just want to thank you guys so much for taking time to watch this video and for going along this knife making journey with me. And that's all for now, so until next time, be strong, work diligently, and glory to God in the highest.